Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its grandiose promises to be the biggest destination trailer ever made and a veritable palace, the fictitious 2027 Rolls Royce VIP Motorhome is the epitome of mobile luxury and custom engineering. This car goes beyond the concept of a motorhome itself, reinventing it as a stationary, ultra-luxurious dwelling intended for the wealthiest and most discriminating customers. If it were real, this incredible motorhome would be the result of a partnership between the world's top superyacht and luxury home builders and Rolls-Royce's legendary workmanship. The outside design would be a tasteful fusion of the sheer size needed for such a structure and the classic grace of Rolls-Royce. On a huge, specially designed chassis, it would look like a long, regal, and extremely sophisticated mansion rather than a normal RV. The paint job would be perfect, hand-polished to a mirror sheen in a unique color from Rolls-Royce's wide range of colors. At the push of a button, discreet, motorized awnings and expanding portions would open, converting the car into a spacious, multi-story living room with a full-size deck and outdoor living area. The palace designation would really come to life inside, with every surface, material, and detail customized to the owner's exact specifications. The living areas would be a masterwork of bespoke craftsmanship. The main salon would have panoramic windows providing unhindered vistas and an exceptionally high ceiling. To guarantee ideal grain consistency, veneers would be selected from a single wood, and furnishings would be hand-stitched from the best leathers. Standard features would include a large dining room, a fully furnished, expertly designed kitchen, and a fireplace with a mantle of sculpted marble. With a spa-like en-suite shower, a walk-in wardrobe with motorized carousels, and a king-sized, adjustable bed, the master suite would be a veritable haven. With a heated towel rack, a full-sized marble shower, and fittings created to order by a renowned jeweler, the bathroom would be a work of art in and of itself. All residents would have total privacy and comfort thanks to the master suite and several guest rooms, each with its own private amenities. The Rolls-Royce VIP Motorhome's technologies would be easily navigable and flawlessly integrated. Everything from the lighting and temperature to the entertainment and security would be managed by a complete smart home automation system. There would be a professional movie theater on board, a wine cellar, a private office with secure satellite connection, and even a small gym. With redundant power systems, sophisticated water purification, and waste management, the car would be completely self-sufficient and enable prolonged periods of comfortable off-grid life. The 2027 Rolls-Royce VIP Motorhome would essentially be a movable destination rather than a car for travel. It is a concept for the person who wants to go to the most exclusive and remote places on Earth with their home and all of its comforts and facilities. It is a daring declaration of unwavering luxury and extreme riches that raises the bar for what is feasible in the field of mobile homes.